Hi guys, magandang hapon. Another day, another gising. And it's 3:30 in the afternoon here and we will go to the park. Okay. How is it? Oh, okay, go. We're going to where? We're going at the park. Wait for me, huh? Go. Do you know how to park? Do you know how to bike? Okay, good.
So,
Wala kang dalang helmet mo sa bike mo? You forgot to bring your your helmet, 'di ba? You should wear your helmet. Magagalit yung pulis.
because half of the kids are going home.
It's okay there. It's not going home. It's too early.
Oh, okay. Why is he not?
Wow. Nalimutan namin kanina yung helmet. So, ngayon naka-helmet na siya ngayon. I realized na kailangan naka-helmet pala sila dito. Otherwise, mapapagalitan tayo. See? Iniiwan mo si daddy eh. Iniiwan mo ako eh. Ito na naman kami sa favorite niyang gawin dito sa park. Hindi ko alam kung itong batang to ay hindi nahihilo eh. Come on! Oh, hindi daw siya nahihilo. Oh, nag-slide nga siya. Asus!
We need to take off our shoes.
Take off? Go! Come on, roll up! Ayun na nga ang gusto niyang gawin sa life. Ito na nga guys. Oh, oh, oh! Hindi ko pa siya napupush.